In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel to Shopify, how to attach TikTok Pixel to Shopify for ads, TikTok ads. Before we jump in, here's why this matters. The TikTok Pixel lets you track how visitors interact with your Shopify store after seeing your TikTok ads. With accurate event tracking, you can optimize campaigns, build better audiences, and measure real conversions. Now, let's set it up smoothly. Start by opening your Shopify admin for the store where you want to add the pixel. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that your account has permission to install apps. If you manage multiple stores, double-check the store name at the top of your dashboard to avoid installing to the wrong place. Inside your Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This is your hub for discovering, installing, and managing everything that extends your store's functionality. On the Apps page, use the search bar. Begin typing to highlight relevant options and quickly filter what you need. Type in TikTok Pixel so your results are easy to spot, and you can move directly to the correct listing without scrolling through unrelated apps. When you see the TikTok Pixel option appear, click it to open the app details page. Here, you'll find a description, screenshots, and supported features. Take a moment to confirm that it supports the events you care about, like page views, add to cart, and purchases, so it aligns with your advertising goals. In the results, you may notice a rating indicator. Click into the listing that shows a strong 5.0 rating. High ratings and recent reviews are good signals that the app is reliable and maintained, which helps prevent tracking gaps and setup headaches. Next, select Install. Shopify will load a permissions screen summarizing what the app can access. This usually includes store data necessary to track events. Review the details, and if everything looks right for your use case, proceed. You'll then be prompted to confirm again. Click Install to grant the requested access and complete the installation. This final confirmation ensures the app has the proper permissions to run and pass events to TikTok. Once installed, you're set on the Shopify side. From here, follow the prompts inside the app to connect your TikTok account and Pixel ID, map events, and choose your preferences. If your theme or checkout settings recently changed, consider verifying events with a testing tool to ensure data is flowing correctly. That's it. Your store is ready to track TikTok ad performance so you can scale with confidence.